Hello, and welcome back to homeschoolcurriculumcenter.com. We are your source for curriculum reviews and resources. We give you information on everything homeschool, from top curriculum choices to free curriculum options, best online curriculum, and resources for every subject. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when we upload videos on the latest homeschooling resources. All right, today's resource is a science resource, and it is called Science Shepherd. So Science Shepherd is a homeschool science curriculum. It is a Christian curriculum, so it's based on that biblical perspective. Let's take a look and see what they have to offer. They do have several science courses available. So they do offer astronomy. So they have homeschool astronomy available. They do offer biology for high school. They offer chemistry for middle school. They offer earth science for elementary school, introductory to science there for elementary, life science for middle school. They have little learners there for the toddlers. That's awesome, a little toddler program. Physical science for homeschoolers, physics for middle school, and unearthing the Bible for all ages. So lots of courses to choose from here. So the Science Shepherd curriculum has some key features. It is biblically sound homeschool science curriculum. It is easy to understand and reader-friendly layout. It allows students to work independently. No science background is necessary for parents and is developed for homeschoolers by homeschoolers. So let's find the course that is right for you. So as mentioned, they have all of those courses available. So how do you know which one to choose, which one is right for you? So they do have a little quiz here for a course finder, or you look at what they recommend here on their site. So if your student is in grades 1st through 5th, they recommend their introductory science course. They can also do the earth science beginning at 2nd grade. They can do physical science beginning at about 2nd or 3rd. They can do unearthing the Bible at about 3rd grade. They can do astronomy starting at about 5th grade. They can do life science beginning at 6th. And then fundamentals of chemistry beginning at 7th, fundamentals of physics beginning at 8th, and then biology beginning at 9th. You can also start, that's just the beginning level. Obviously, this extends all the way through high school for unearthing the Bible, astronomy, life science, fundamentals of chemistry, physics, and biology. So those would be your high school courses as well. So lots of offerings here. They do give the age and grade range and what's covered in that particular course. So for the introductory science, grades 1 through 5th, ages 6 to 11. And so this is an entirely video-based curriculum. It does have an accompanied workbook that the children can work in as they view the videos. They can write down their answers to the questions in the workbook. So workbooks are available in 2 levels. Level A is for younger students in that age range, and then level B is for the older students. So students in both levels may watch the videos together while completing their own workbook. So introductory science is a broad course covering many topics, including Creation Week, meteorology, geology, oceanography, plants, animals, physical science, and more. So some families may find it helpful for a student to complete level A one year and do level B later on. So it's up to you how you want to complete the curriculum. It is laid out in a 35-week schedule. Most school years are 36 weeks. You can fill those other 5 days with field trips and so on and so forth. So their Earth Science curriculum is for grades 2 through 6, ages 7 to 12. Earth Science expands upon select topics from the introductory science book, and it gets a deeper understanding of geology, volcanology, paleontology, oceanography, meteorology, climatology, and energy. This is a video-based curriculum. It's available in those 2 levels as well. So level A is for the lower age range there and grade range, and level B is for the upper level there. They do have age-appropriate workbooks that accompany each of the levels. All right, and physical science is for grades 3 through 6 and ages 8 and 12 and beyond. So it depends on where you are in your science curriculum with your children. So physical science builds upon the previous principles there. It also focuses on chemistry, physics, and astronomy. So if a student has not taken the introductory to science course, it is highly recommended that he or she does that prior to taking this physical science course. So that will help. This is also a video-based curriculum. Does have a workbook to go along with it. They do have the 2 levels there, A and B. So A is for the lower range there, and then B is for the upper age range there in that particular group. So older students who have not yet formally studied physical science or chemistry and physics in particular, they may benefit from taking the physical science level B prior to their fundamental classes. So this is once again 35-week layout there. There are 3 video lessons per week. So great option here for science. Unearthing the Bible there is grades 3 to 8, ages 8 to 14. Unearthing the Bible is a unique mix of archaeology, history, social studies, and apologetics, recommended for grades 3 through 8 or ages 8 to 14. So by studying the field of archaeology, students will learn that the history recorded in the Bible is confirmed by history found in the ground. It is a video-based curriculum that includes a PDF workbook and answer key. So awesome, awesome additional tool there. Astronomy, God's Universe. So this is for grades 5th through 9th, ages 10 to 15. This is one of their newest releases. So it explores the solar system, stars, galaxies, and more. It does reinforce the scripture with these things and also the creation account. So it is video based, also along with the workbook there, has the 2 levels that you can work through. Level B does make it more insightful and challenging with critical thinking. So take that into consideration if you're considering level B. This is presented in a 36-week schedule. So that's a full school year there. All right, their life science is grades 6 to 10, ages 11 to 16. And so their life science is more of a middle school curriculum that prepares students for high school biology. So it is a comprehensive video course. And so it also has a combination of that text and video. And so the topics in this life science course will include the chemistry of life, genetics, classification, human anatomy, physiology, ecology, and more. There is an optional lab manual there integrated into the curriculum, so you can decide if you want to do that with your students as well. All right, fundamentals of chemistry there. So we're moving on up the ladder there, and then fundamentals of physics. These are their upper courses here. This is fundamentals of chemistry is another high school preparatory class for middle school. The course is text-based and includes a study of the areas of scientific measurement, atoms, bonding, reactions, nuclear chemistry, and more. A comprehensive video course is available that follows daily reading schedule, as well as an optional lab manual there. So this may be appropriate for 9th and 10th grade. So remember, they need those prior skills there before taking this course. All right, and then you have fundamentals of physics there. This is for 8th to 10th grade, ages 13 to 16 and beyond. This is the final Science Shepherd High School preparatory course available for middle school. So it's a text-based study in the 3 states of matter, Newton's laws, waves, light, sound, nuclear physics, and more. A comprehensive video course is available as well as an optional lab manual. All right, so there's also biology there. This is for 9th grade and beyond, so in ages 14 and up. So you can see what they have to offer there for their biology. So great detailed layout here of science courses that really have to build a solid foundation in science. Remember, if you're just now starting out this curriculum, and let's say your student's in 10th grade, you can pick up here with all those courses. It is still able to do. You can crunch it down into a less time frame. You can work throughout the year, do year-round schooling. It is still doable to cover at least 4 of these courses, even if you're starting later on in your student's academic career. So take a look if you think this will be great for you. I think this is a great option if you're wanting your students to be independent. You don't want to have to do all the hands-on teaching and working with them. This is a video-based curriculum with a workbook and some tests in there to test their knowledge. So they're getting the knowledge with the testing. And so it could be a great option for those who have lots going on, very busy lives, and just need the curriculum to be taught to their children. So lots of amazing course offerings here on their site. You can also shop here and purchase it on their site. And so not sure if these are available on Amazon or the other book sites, but you can check to see if the text is available. But I'm sure you have to purchase the videos from their site directly. So you can shop here on their site. They also have samples. So definitely also head up to their website at scienceshepherd.com. They do have samples of each of their courses, okay? So here's the astronomy sample here. It does include a preview of 3 complete video lessons with the corresponding workbook pages. So definitely take a peek at that if you want to see if this is what you're looking for science. I think they have a sample for each course. So here's the biology sample. This is 4 lessons, and the corresponding textbook and workbook things are there. This is a sample of their video lab, so microscope lab there. They do have a sample video of the fetal pig dissection. So there's an actual video there, so you have to click to watch that one because it's very detailed. But they do have all the additional printed links as well here if you want to actually follow along and see this work for your children. So here's the earth science sample here, sample video and sample printouts there. And then the fundamentals of chemistry. So you can definitely go to their site and click on any course and get these sample lessons here. And also click at the additional pages and see if this will work for your students. All right. So great option here. Remember, you can also shop on their website. So you can go to My Courses and then go to their shop here. You can check out their pricing there. They have all the listed items here and pricing for each item. So definitely take a peruse here and see if this would be an adequate addition to your homeschool. All right. If this is not quite what you're looking for, that's okay. There are so many options. Check out our science video playlist here on YouTube where we go over curriculum, lots of curriculum options that are available. There are so many options and styles out there. You can find the one that's right for you in your homeschool. Also, there is a list of science curriculum available at Homeschool Reading Resources in this guide. It is a list of the most popular homeschool science curriculum out there. So go download this free instant downloadable guide to have a list of science curriculum. All right, remember to share this video with other homeschooling families so they have this information also. You don't forget to subscribe to be notified when we upload videos on the latest homeschooling resources. Also, check out our description box. There are so many helpful links in there. And remember, happy homeschooling.